Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yusuf, and now I will show you how to get the 3 new little guys in little video. So first thing, to get little bird, you have to go Twitter and type this code. I will show you the code. Bird app. Easy. Next one is cashier guy. I took long to get it because I had a lot of mistakes. Look, type this on here by these buttons. Next, this door will open. It has cashier guy. Now electrical guy. So it says something about library. Let's go library and check. It said library power, so it should be in the back. No, it's inside. So let's see together what's going on. Bad seed. Another bad seed? No, I will not see. Come on, where is it? The stairs are sus. Hold on. Okay, I will check it next come back. I will search well in the map. So guys, look what did I find. It's in the box. Wow. Invisible truss. Oh no. On. Okay, good. Oh, here. I had to click just on. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.